welcome to Pearls of Wisdom podcast video tutorials. My name is Jennifer, the owner of Pearls of Wisdom, co-owner of Mainline Pearls, both in suburban Philadelphia. And today we're going to talk about how to do a make one left and how to do make one right. So make one left and make one right is a way to do increases on your project. And it is a very neat, clean, almost invisible increase. So you can sort of see it here. And these are my make one left because they are left leaning, and then there are some on the other side that are leaning in the opposite direction. This is Andrea Mallory's flock vest. So this is the front of the vest coming down one side. This is the armhole side, and this is the front. And they are increasing at different rates, but this row you do increases on both ends. So usually you're going to have a marker and you're going to do an increase either one stitch in from the marker or next to the marker. And sometimes, often when raglan increases on a sweater, for example, you will have a marker and you will do increases either right next to the marker on either side or one stitch away, and they will almost always be different. So left on one side, right on the other. So there are many little tricks to try to remember what this is. I encourage you to write down the direction in which you're going to stick your left needle. So either put it on a note card, put it on a sticky, highlight that section of your pattern. Just have it right there. Don't flip back and forth on your pattern. Have it right there. Take a picture on your phone, whatever works for you. Have it right there while you're doing it. And don't stress your brain out. Just say, okay, which is it? Which is it? And eventually you'll memorize it. But don't try to do too much. Focus on what you're doing. So we're starting with make one left, and that is putting the left needle, and you're always using the left needle, into the bar, and you're always using the bar in between the two stitches on the left and right needle. So there's your bar. And I just want to caution you, if you're starting something like Andrea Mallory's night shift shawl, or even the beginning of a sweater and you've just cast on, I was working with a lady yesterday, it's always very, very tight in the beginning. And that's very discouraging because that's when you're first doing it. And you may feel like, I will never get this. You will have more purchase as things loosen up. So this is much looser now. But if I were doing increases right here, perhaps, which I did not, I was actually doing decreases the way this is designed, you would not have as much purchase if you were right near the pickup or you're right near your cast on. So please don't be discouraged. Okay, so left needle, and it is front to back. Now you cannot just pick up that bar and knit it in a regular way. You will have a hole, and that is the whole purpose of this method, is to twist the stitch so that you will not have a hole. So I have to now knit into the back of the stitch. I can go like this, and I actually have caught the stitch. Sometimes you have to roll with your finger to catch it. And you can also look behind and try to catch it this way. And that's it. And I took the wrong color yarn, didn't I? Okay, there we go. All right, and now I'm going to knit to the end. Okay, so again, some patterns tell you to stop one stitch before. Just make sure you know what you're doing. And usually it's consistent. It's either at the marker or one stitch before. In this case, it is at the marker. And notice I'm increasing always on the inside of the marker in this case. So this one is make one right, and that is back to front, again, picking up with the left needle, picking up the bar, and now you knit into the front of the stitch. If, again, you're starting at the beginning of something and it's tight, this is one where you really may need to go like that and roll it with your finger so you can get some purchase. And that's it. Hope this was helpful. And if you like what you see or you want more content from Pearls of Wisdom, please subscribe. Take care.